Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying your day, and if not, you'll enjoy the upcoming day because I know many of you all watch my predictions late in the night. And do like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring in videos. This is one more of the cards which I had got during my birthday. Actually, this time on my birthday, I was given by my students, by my partner, and by more like, I received 11 tarot cards. You heard it right. I received 11 tarot cards, and I was so excited because somewhere tarot cards bring in that energy, bring in that happiness in me. And more than anything, this is also a card which I really loved. It's the herbal astrology oracle. So let's see what is coming in the cards. Wow. Protection. I really love this image. It's usually we say the lion is fierce, but can you see here? The lion is protective. The lion is encouraging more of protection. So let's see what is the other card that is coming for your day today. Wow. Look at it. It's such a beautiful combo, rue and sage. One of the best combos, which and one of the most prominent ingredients of my protection oil, my protection incense powders also, which I make and I give it to my clients. So it is protection and blessing. Can you see the card here closer? It's as if the moon is blessing, the divine is blessing as you burn it. Maybe those who have sage today, I think most of the households have sage in their house. If you don't have sage, if you have the sambrani, if you even have the kacha kapoor, which is the bhimseni kapoor, or if you have sandalwood incense stick, just burn it today as a blessing in your house. Maybe in the entrance show the smoke of it, because I feel that is why this card has come today. So as a blessing, do that. If you have rue, you can also burn the rue, but I feel since sage everyone has, just go with sage today. But overall, if you feel you're left out, then call upon the energy of the lion. Usually they say call upon the energy of the herb, but most of you all, my students, have, if you have done the herbs, then you can call upon the energy of rue. But here I would say call upon the energy of the lion to protect your aura and to give you that fierce energy. I'm sorry, I had to pause. To give you the fierce energies to keep yourself and your surroundings protected. And when it comes to sage, because it is blessings, I would suggest cleanse your emotions which are troubling you, work on your emotions which are troubling you, and when you're lighting the sage, just say that I am blessing myself with all the positivity and I'm letting go of things that hurt me, because I don't deserve the hurt in my life and I deserve only the divine blessings. Today, let's go with the color red. I don't know why I feel the color red, but I'm saying to go with the color red. And today also, if you have time, go to some temple and burn a lamp over there and donate 1 liter of oil, if possible gingerly oil, and come, because anything which you're not ready to let go, this one small tip will help you to let go of it and bring in a lot of blessings. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.